have no idea what it's like to work here. And that broke the ice. There is a story in the book where I'm sort of one of the first experience I had here in Australia, being dropped onto a construction site,
Oh,
hanging out.
yes. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, a group of construction workers, and me being fairly fresh off the boat from Sweden, working in the head office, looking more European than a blokey construction type in the middle of nowhere. I sensed there was a huge gap, and all of my colleagues encouraged me to try to fit in. Wear your boots for weeks before, because otherwise they will never take you seriously. And of course, I arrived with, you could see the creases on the shirt when I sat down, and the hard hat was so shiny. So of course, I had to express my lack of expertise, my lack of knowledge about what actually happened on site. I'm Daniel. I'm from Sweden. I work in safety. I work in the head office in Brisbane. I have no idea what it's like to work here. And that broke the ice. They loved it. They absolutely loved it. It was a moment of vulnerability, perhaps, or a moment of a little bit, taking yourself not too seriously, but still being curious enough. I want to understand what it's like to work here, and
Mm.
that was all that it took for me to be approved, and that we could sort of ask all kinds of questions or explore them together after that.